Hey there, I'm Coach Bronson, and I want to welcome you to the Ultimate Ketogenic Fitness Challenge. This challenge is a 10-week program where you're going to get fitness and nutrition guidance from me, Coach Bronson. We're going to work every week in a group program, a group setting with video calls. You're going to get a fitness app that goes right to your phone where you get all your exercises with videos and detailed instructions. You're going to get a nutrition guideline that gives you exactly what you need to know to get the most out of the program and see all the benefits of improving your muscle mass, reducing body fat, reducing inflammation, giving yourself more energy. And then the workouts are going to allow you to be able to do more things and increase your physical ability. This program is a combination of nutrition and fitness that will hopefully educate you and give you an opportunity to go outside of the challenge afterwards and increase and improve your quality of life. There's a community aspect. You're going to be doing this with a lot of other people. This is specifically designed to help you learn, to help you grow, and to give you the tools and the information that you need to sustain a healthy ketogenic lifestyle and a healthy fitness and physically active lifestyle. More information is on the website. Click below, get all the information that you need to get started, and I hope to see you there.